Our finished result of our beer battered cod. I'm showing you how it turned out to be, and it is fabulous. It looks just like the cod that you buy at the regular fish and chip place. This is the beer battered cod, and I gave you the recipe and how to do it, and look how beautiful it turned out to be. It is beautiful. I love that fish and chip cod, and that's what they usually made that out of. But this is what I made, homemade, just for y'all. So here's the cod right here, and you follow this presentation. That is the recipe on how to do this. This is Sandra. I want to show you how to do beer battered fried cod. This is Sandra. Ain't that beautiful? Ooh, that looks so good, y'all. So after this presentation, I will have the recipe on how to fix this magnificent, beautiful cod. Beer battered fish, deep fish, and we're going to use cod. We're going to do what you call that fish they have in, let's see, I think they sell it in Long John Silver, or they sell it in Captain D's or whatever. So we're going to do some today. This is going to be deep fried beer battered cod. Okay, what I'm going to show you how to do now is you get a cup of flour. You put the cup of flour in this side. So you put a cup of flour in this. And then you're going to use a cup of flour in this. And this, we're going to use 2 cups of flour. So in this department right here, we're going to add 7 ounces of beer. Just like that. Maybe it just depends on how much beer you want in it to make the batter right. So we're going to put 7 ounces. Any favorite beer, I use this highlight beer. Whatever beer you want to put in there, you put it in this like that. Get it all incorporated like that. Use your favorite kind of beer that you drink. And make sure it's all blended, just like this. Okay, make sure it's all blended together. Just like that. That's the way you want it, just like this. Okay, and then what I'm going to do now is put cayenne pepper. As much as you want on your cayenne pepper. Just like that. And I'm going to put some rice vinegar. Just enough to make it thin, y'all. And put some salt. Just like this. And we're going to stir this up. We're going to add some black pepper. Black pepper like that. And that's all we do to this batch right here. We just stir all this together. Just like this. We have all this out the way. This is a dipping. I love this fish here. I love cod, and I love how it tastes with this recipe. Okay, we're finished with that. On this one here, we're going to add some Old Bay season. So we'll get this open. Some Old Bay season. That's enough, like that. Okay, and we're going to add some paprika, so y'all know what I'm talking about. Just like that. Okay, and then we're going to add some salt. Just a little. And I like to add some seasoned fish fry with mine. This is a New Orleans, Louisiana fish fry. I like to add that with mine. And the last, like that, just a little. So you use what you could think that you can put in there. You know, that's what cooking is about. It's your measurements, how you want to do it. Okay, we're going to do it like this. I'm going to show you how it's to fry it. And just one click away. Just one click away. We're going to show you how to fry it. Make sure you have all this done like this, incorporated, because you want this to be just right. Okay? Okay, what we're going to do is, now, the way I got this cut, now I got this cut in long strips, just like this, and then I have some cut this way for sandwiches or whatever you want to serve. Like if you want to serve with vegetables or salad, you can have it served, you can cut it this way. But if you just want to eat it, you know, either way you want to eat it, with a sandwich or this way, it don't matter how you cut it. But I always try to get a little thickness into your cod. Okay, that's what you want to do. Get it kind of thick. Be right back and show you how to deep fry it. Okay, what you do now, you're going to dread it in the dry first, like this. Dread it in your dry. I don't know why I can't talk today, y'all. And then you dread it in your wet, like that. Dread it in your wet, just like that. And then you're going to dip it just like this into your oil. Just like that. I'm going to do another piece. Dread it in the flour mixture, the dry. Like that. And then you're going to dread it in the wet. Just like that. Just like this. And you're going to ease it down like that. Let it get penetrated like that. And that's how you do that. And we're going to come back and let you see how it looks when we get through frying it. All right, these pieces are ready to be taken out.